Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's totally up to you, and then enter the settings. Here in this general list we have to scroll down and find the passwords, passkeys, and accounts. Let's tap on it. Here we've got the section accounts for owners, so let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, as I said, and something happened. Let me do it again. Google. Alright, we've got it this time. So here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply enter the email or phone. So let me quickly do it. OK, and tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and then tap on I agree after reading. Here, backup and device data, just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on the account and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and it will immediately disappear. Of course, if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.